The seafood industry faces strict safety and quality demands. Seafood processors face challenges like bone detection, metal contamination, labor costs, and equipment corrosion. Sorting machines automatically sort seafood by weight, size, or shape. Our automatic sorting machines reach speeds up to 500 pieces per minute. It's perfect for sorting shrimp, scallops, fillets, whole fish, squid, oysters, and more. Our metal detectors detect ferrous and non-ferrous metals as small as 0.5 millimeters. IP66 waterproof design is perfect for wet seafood environments. Stable performance even at high speeds. Some hazards, like fish bones, are invisible to metal detectors. X-ray system detects bones as thin as 0.1 millimeters in boneless fillets. TDI technology effectively distinguishes fish bones from meat. Foodman image processing algorithm enhances foreign object identification in complex backgrounds. From sorting to inspection, our solutions boost efficiency and food safety. Easyweigh and Foodman help seafood processors stay competitive in a demanding market. Seafood safety starts here.